How to implement Jidoka. Imagine a workplace where machines not only perform tasks but also monitor and correct their own errors. Intrigued? Welcome to the world of Jidoka, a key principle in lean manufacturing. Jidoka, also known as automation with a human touch, comes from the Japanese word for autonomation. It's about creating a system where machines, not humans, identify and resolve errors. But how do you implement Jidoka? First, you must understand its two principles. Principle 1 is stopping production when a problem occurs. Principle 2 is not letting any defective product pass to the next process. Now, let's dive into the implementation. Detecting abnormalities is the first step. This could be done through sensors or machine monitoring software that identifies errors or defects. The moment an error is detected, production should stop. This might seem counterintuitive, but it saves time in the long run. It prevents the spread of defects and reduces waste. Once the error is detected and production is halted, the next step is to fix the problem. This is where human intervention comes in. Engineers or technicians rectify the issue. But fixing the problem isn't enough. To prevent recurrence, root cause analysis is carried out. This involves finding the underlying cause of the problem and implementing countermeasures. Another key aspect of Jidoka is building quality into the process. Rather than checking quality at the end, Jidoka ensures quality at every step. This is the concept of built-in quality. Jidoka also emphasizes on training workers to understand the process and equipment. This empowers them to identify problems and take corrective action. It's about making everyone a quality inspector. Finally, to support Jidoka, visual control systems are used. These help in monitoring the process and quickly identifying any deviations. Lights, sounds, or display boards can be used as visual controls. Jidoka is not just about automating processes but also about instilling a culture of quality and continuous improvement. Remember, the goal is to create a system that detects and corrects its own errors. Implementing Jidoka can revolutionize your workplace, making it more efficient, productive, and quality-focused. So, are you ready to embrace Jidoka in your organization? Remember, it's a journey of continuous improvement. Start small, understand the principles, and gradually implement them. The results will be worth the effort.